Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In this episode here is the part 3 of the do-yourself painting my dream car. So I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to jump on it. Before I do that, I'm just going to explain what I'm using. So I'm using a 2000 grit and I'm going to wet sand. I'm not going to be aggressive on it. I'm just to get rid of all the orange peel. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna try this fender and then work my way around, so that way, you know, I don't mess up the whole car, you know. So if 2000 grits get rid of the orange peel, then I could proceed the next process, which is buffing and polishing. For the distance, it looks pretty decent, but once you're up close, you can see the orange peel. All right, so I'm going to use 2000 grit wet sand, and like I said, I'm not going to be too aggressive on it, so hopefully that it will give rid of at least most of it. I'm going to try to stay away from all the edges because I don't want to, you know, cause a paint burn and some other stuff. So I'm trying to I guess be more delicate on it and just take my time on it, so that way I could start polishing and buffing all the stuff and go from there. All right. As you can see, the orange peel is still there with the 2000 grit. I'm thinking about do another pass, do a little bit more aggressive, and we see how that turned out to be. You can see the run right here. All right, so I'm gonna give it another try and see what happens. I'm almost there. I'm still kind of like afraid of putting a little bit pressure and do it a little more aggressive, and hopefully all these goes away. It's starting to. I already made a mark right here. It burned, so that's why, you know, like I said, just trying to stay away from the edges, and that will happen. All right, almost there. So I'll probably go one more time. I got too carried away, and I'm starting to see the primer. All right, so I'm gonna have to redo this fender again all over. But overall, all the orange peel, there's still a little bit, but you know, it's not bad. So I think this is the best I will go. And yeah, so I'm gonna do one fender, and I'm gonna stop wet sanding, and I'm gonna buff it, and let's see how's the result turn out to be. At least I know. That way I can just continue everything. All right, so I'm gonna start wet sanding, and I'm gonna buff it, and I'm gonna use some Maguire compound, and hopefully it will shine. I just finished buffing using the compound. I just want to show you guys before and after. Bam, look at that. Look at that shine. I can see myself. That's good. Wow, not bad for a spray paint. But you know, that's only a compound. I have Maguire polishing too, so I'm gonna give it a try and see if that make a big difference. So if I can see myself, the reflection, that's good. But if this fender wasn't you know, messed up, I would have just moved on to the next one. But hey, at least I feel a little bit better now. At least I know what to do. But man, it's really time consuming. It's no joke. Wet sand is no joke. Wow, look at this. Smooth like a baby butt. Okay, so everything looks good, as you can see on the fender. And so I'm gonna stop what I'm doing, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish all around as much as I can. It's gonna be time consuming, so I'm gonna take my time on it, and hopefully that I don't do any more burn through. So I'm just gonna try to be more relaxed. Done wet sanding the whole car. So at this time I'm gonna give it a little car wash just to clean all the dust, and after that then I'm gonna dry it, then we're just gonna buff it, so hopefully that everything goes well at the end. Wash and dry is done, and as you can see, the fender is still shiny, so that's good. So at this time I'm gonna park the car in the garage, and then let's get buffing. Alright guys, this is the next day, and I got the car in the garage and ready for buffing and polishing. So hopefully that at the end it goes pretty decent. Again, I'm not professional. I have no experience, first time everything, just to remember. So everything that I have done, it may be wrong, but it works for me. But it may not work for you guys, but If you guys want to give it a try, that's up to you. So again, I'm not professional. If you guys don't have the confidence I'm doing your own car, take it to the professional and they will do it for you, show car status. All right, so I'm gonna go and start buffing. Oh, I'm impressed. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue all the way around, and I'll let you guys check it out. All right, finished buffing, and that's how it looks so far. It doesn't look that great because it's in the garage, but almost done. Not quite there yet, but what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to apply the Maguire cleaner wax. Okay, so the Maguire cleaner wax, they come with a sponge and some wax. So I already applied some onto the hood, and make sure that everything is all even, and just let it dry out for probably like 10 minutes, and then just wipe it. And so after that, I'm gonna do for the whole car, and then I'll show you guys the grand finale. Here is the aftermath. There's more room for improvement. Still a little bit of orange peel, but that's the best I can do. You know, it takes a lot of my strength, so if I was to do it again, I will get like a D.I.Y sander. I think that would be the perfect route to go. Still a little bit orange peel right here. Here's a little paint burn through. Little bit of run right here. Burn through. Yeah, I mean, not bad for a first timer. Again, if I was to do it again, I'll get a D.I.Y. This driver's side fender came out really smooth. This is the first one I took my time on it, but overall pretty decent. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video right here, and if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and if you guys want to see more videos, subscribe to my channel. Wow, I mean, it doesn't look that bad, but it looks 10 times better than before. So yep, I'm going to end it right here, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.